Hi everyone, Rob here again from the Department of Education at CBU. Well, in this video, I am going to demonstrate how to add your own meeting space information block to your course in Moodle. I've had some inquiries from some colleagues about how I added this particular information block here with the rest of this info that's contained in this Moodle book and how they can add it themselves. And I do have some resources that I've shared that show you how to create labels. This is just created by adding a label here in Moodle and configuring it and adding some hyperlinks to it. And I've got some resources that show you how to set up and organize Moodle books. But I figured that the easiest way for us to all get a consistent look and feel in our courses for this coming term would be if I just exported this resource here, including this Moodle book, and set it up in such a way that you could import it into your own course. Then all you need to do is go and edit this text here that says sample and go through the pages in your Moodle book and replace all the places where it says sample with the join code for your own team. You don't need to edit any of these links, any of the video links. That will all be imported. You just need to change sample to your own import or to your own join code for your course. So to do this, in the Welcome to Transitioning to Online Learning course that we have set up for ourselves to share resources, you scroll on down to the additional resources area and you'll notice that I have added a new label here about how to add this type of meeting space info block to your own course. And there is a downloadable file here. That's the file that I exported that has that label and that Moodle book. And here is where the video will be hosted that I'm recording right now that shows you how to go through this export and import process and copy this into your own course. So the first step would be to actually click on this link here, and you'll see it's downloading a file to my computer. And that's in my download area, accessing Teams course info block. So I'm going to copy this to a place that's easy for me to find. So I'll create a new temp folder where it'll be easy for me to find this. And I have that ready to go to import into my course. So what I'm going to do now is go into another course shell that I have that I'm in the middle of building. So let's use this one here. This is an old course of mine, so it's not going to impact anything, but we could pretend that this is one of my courses from this term and that I'm in the middle of importing it. You can see that I've already got a couple of things added here. There's the news form that's automatically set up. I've got a sample resource in here. And the reason why I have added these is because I want to show you and set your mind at ease that by importing this, you're not going to accidentally overwrite this, but you need to do things carefully in order to make sure that that happens. So I'm in my course. I need to make sure that editing is turned on. In this case, it is on. I'm going to scroll on down now to my administration block for my course, and I'm going to find the restore link. Now, I have private backup areas here. These are backup files I created from previous courses. You're not going to find this particular accessing Teams course info block file here because you don't have access to my backup files. So you need to go get that file that you downloaded. So I'm going to go to my temp folder. I have the file that I downloaded. I'm just going to drag it here. And I'm going to click on the restore button once it has uploaded. Now it's going to take me to the next step here and confirm everything that I want to import. So all of this is good. I want to import that label. I want to import the block. Yes, that is all good. Make sure you're checking all of this information, that you're not importing more than you hope to or not overwriting anything. Click on continue. This is a very important step. You get to this block that says restore into this course. You want to merge the backup course into this course. Do not click on the delete the contents of this course and then restore. It will overwrite everything that you have done. So click on the merge the backup course into this course. Click on continue. Just review all of these here. This all looks good. Click on Next. And a final review here. It's going to import the online meeting space information and the Accessing Microsoft Teams Moodle book. Click on Next again. Click on Perform the Restore. Course was restored successfully. Click the Continue button below, and it will take you to the course that you restored. Now you will see that I have all of my information in here. My news form is still there that I had previously set up. My sample resource, my label is still here. I scroll on down to the bottom. I've got this new block here, Hidden Instructor Resources, with these resources here for students. I want to put them up near the top of my course, so I'll turn editing on. You probably want to make sure that this Hidden Instructor Resources that was imported into your course is hidden from students. Now, you can drag these wherever you want them. I am going to drag them up to the top of my course. So I want it up in the General Course Information block. Make it visible to students by clicking on Show. Same thing for the Accessing Microsoft Teams here. I'm going to drag this up to the top of the course. Put that underneath this block. And now I just need to click on Edit My Settings here for this. I don't need to change this link. I just need to change sample to a sample of whatever join code I have. So let's call this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's say that's my join code. I'll put that in bold so it's easy for students to see. Save and return to the course. My join code is now there. I'm going to make this Moodle book visible to students by making sure that I click on Show. Go into all of my pages here. You'll see that I have sample, use join code sample here on the first couple of pages where I have videos that shows everyone how to access Teams. You just need to click on the cog wheel here, the settings wheel. And again, change this to whatever your join code is for your course. Do that for all of the pages where this appears. You'll see that the join code is now updated to match the join code that I entered for my particular team space for my course. You just need to go through the remaining pages now. Make sure that you click on the settings wheel, edit those pages, and change every place where it says sample to the actual join code for your course. Now you have fully imported the online meeting space with the custom icon, a direct link to Microsoft Teams Online. You have then updated your join code so students know what code to use to join your class space in Teams. And you have also imported this Accessing Microsoft Teams Moodle book, which has a bunch of videos that we've created that show students how to get into the Microsoft Teams space and how to join your live class session in Teams, as well as how to get into the breakout rooms that you set up using channels in Teams, and how to start collaborating with resources once they have joined a breakout session.